Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Spigen GLAS.tR Slim HD protection for my iPhone 14 Pro. It is compatible with all Spigen cases and it is the perfect solution to protect your precious display of your iPhone. Well, let's open to see what we have inside, find out more about this product, install it to my iPhone and see how it looks. Nothing else out of the box. Welcome to Spigen world. Okay, nice, some instructions, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. And there is the screen protection. Tempered glass has a 9H hardness to withstand daily scratches. Thanks to the oleophobic and hydrophobic coating, the surface remains fingerprint free, perfectly responsive to touch, and remains crystal clear, just like the original screen. It is a real glass with a thickness 0.3 mm. How to remove bubbles, some instructions, cleaning cloth, stickers, dust removal stickers too, lens and screen cleaning wipe, and we have in this plastic, it will help for installing the screen protection. Well, let's do that. iPhone 14 Pro. We have the lens screen cleaning wipe. If you want, you can use these stickers, removing any dust. I can see it is very clean. This is the back side. Check again for any dust. And that was all. So easy to install. Alignment very well, at the correct position. Remove that, and that was all. I like it. Great installation. And the response is very good. I didn't even make the setup of my new iPhone. By the way, you can check the video down below the description or after the end of this video. It is a premium choice from Spigen to protect your precious smartphone, expensive smartphone, high cost, and definitely you need the best product to protect this display. Well guys, that was all about. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because on my next video you will see the newest Spigen case for the iPhone 14 Pro. That was all guys, thank you again for watching, bye bye.